Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Med Concepts. Today, we'll discuss the ulnar nerve, one of the most important nerves of the upper limb. It is commonly known as the musician's nerve because it supplies most of the intrinsic muscles of the hand responsible for fine finger movements. By the end of this lecture, you'll understand its origin, course, motor and sensory supply, clinical anatomy, and important clinical tests. Ulnar nerve, also called the musician's nerve. Its root value is C8 to T1, occasionally C7. Arises from medial cord of the brachial plexus. Mnemonic. Ulnar equals funny bone nerve. Let's discuss its course. It begins in the axilla, travels along the medial arm, passes behind the medial epicondyle, enters the forearm between the two heads of flexor carpi ulnaris, travels beside the ulnar artery, enters the hand through Goyen's canal. Its motor supply include: in forearm, it supplies only two muscles, flexor carpi ulnaris and medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. Mnemonic. Ulnar supplies only two in forearm. In hand, it supplies following muscles: palmar interossae, dorsal interossae, adductor pollicis, deep head of flexor pollicis brevis, hypothenar muscles, medial to lumbricals, palmaris brevis. Easy mnemonic. All interossae are ulnar. Its sensory supply include medial side of palm, medial side of dorsum, and medial 1.5 digits. Mnemonic. 1.5 on both sides. Clinical anatomy. IT Lelisa. It is injured at elbow. Then there will be weak wrist flexion, loss of finger abduction and adduction. Ulnar claw, less severe. If injury occur at wrist, ulnar claw, more marked. Interosseous wasting, hypothenar wasting. Mnemonic. Closer the claw, worse the claw. Clinical tests. Finger abduction tests. Dorsal interossae. Finger adduction tests. Palmar interossae. Froment's sign assesses the adductor pollicis. Ask the patient to hold a piece of paper between the thumb and index finger. If the thumb flexes to maintain grip, the test is positive, indicating ulnar nerve palsy. The card test also evaluates the palmar interossae by asking the patient to hold a card between adjacent fingers while you gently pull it away. So, Froment's sign tests adductor pollicis. Card test tests palmar interossae. Mnemonic. Pad equals adduct, dab equals abduct. Let's quickly revise. The ulnar nerve arises from the medial cord of the brachial plexus with a root value of C8 to T1. It passes behind the medial epicondyle, enters the forearm, between the heads of flexor carpi ulnaris, and enters the hand through Goyen's canal. In the forearm, it supplies only flexor carpi ulnaris and the medial half of flexor digitorum profundus. In the hand, it supplies the interossae, hypothenar muscles, medial to lumbricals, adductor pollicis, deep head of flexor pollicis brevis, and palmaris brevis. Clinically, remember ulnar claw, Froment's sign, the card test, and the mnemonics pad and dab. Thank you for watching. If you found this lecture helpful, please like this video, share it with your classmates, and subscribe to Med Concepts for more high-yield anatomy lectures. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.